Hey, what's going on? This is Rob from the Lee family giving you a warning. The iPhone XR is not waterproof, even though Apple states that the iPhone XR is rated IP67, which means you could put it up to 1 meter deep for up to 30 minutes. Knowing that, I never put my phone deeper than a foot, and I limited the time to less than 30 minutes in total, but because I was misled by Apple, this is what happened. Ugh, look at this. Don't make this costly mistake. I mean, at least I got some decent footage. Now, I got this replacement screen on Amazon, and a link to it is in the description of this video. What was really difficult is the suction cup part, and unless you had 3 hands, this is extremely difficult, and this is what you're gonna end up doing. I mean, they must have used movie magic on this instructional video because they made it seem so easy. The magnetic card that held your screws is genius, and whoever came up with that deserves a giant raise. One thing I noticed is that they should have color coordinated the screw icons and the screwdrivers because that was extremely confusing. While I was assembling this, I found myself having to work backwards in the video to figure out which screws to place things back. Also, the holes in the plastic that holds the adhesive around the perimeter could have followed the shape of the phone better. Regardless, after all of this confusion, it ended up working, and the new screen works just like the old, and I don't see any flaws.